In this video, I want to show you how to make cash answering people instead of you answering people for free. You know that every day of your life, people ask you questions and you don't get paid, right? People ask you questions every day, you don't get paid, bro. Let us thinking. They ask you questions like, how was your day? Have you eaten? Where's your girlfriend? All those kind of questions. And you won't get paid. Once you answer them, you won't get paid. So I'll show you in this video how you can get paid by answering neat questions. So the app is called Quora.com. Quora.com is an app that you answer questions, you get views like this, get views like all this. Do you believe in karma? This guy answered. He answered, demand 25-year-old Darren Dixon, blah blah blah. Look at it. He explained, posted a image. They beat him demonically and raped or whatever. He answered with a straight answer. Not copy from other site or whatever. Just make it unique if you want to enter this business model. Now look at, see how many views? 3.3 million views. It's crazy, isn't it? 3.3 million views. That is 100 stadiums. Let me do the calculation. What am I saying? 70,000. Let's say capacity of stadium. 70,000 times 50. Can you see? Let's call it 45, 50 stadiums. It's crazy the amount of views, bro. 45 people, 45 stadiums, all of them inside the 3 million people on the stadiums. This is the amount just on Quora. You imagine this guy promoted something in the link, maybe his YouTube channel, his digital product, his physical product, affiliate marketing, dropshipping, whatever. His freelancing business. You imagine he left it in this link as he was talking about it. Do you know how much you would have made, bro? Let's say the thing he promoted is what, $100. Hmm? It's $100, no? Let's say, wait, let's say 3.3 million people. Wait, times, let's say 0.1%. Let's say he has bad luck. He's so dumb in marketing. This is the amount of people he's going to attract. 3,333 people. Times, let's say the product is $100. $333,000, bro. $333,000 just by answering a question. Maybe the question was like this one: do you believe in karma? Maybe we would have promoted something, maybe something in spirituality niche or whatever. Or maybe you're right. Do you believe in this? I don't know, like how to lose weight. You just promote a digital product that's worth $100. They got 3 million views. This is 0.1% of people. And this is the conversion rate. Get what I mean? So bro, this is an example. And many. And look for any questions. Do you think Unai Emery is just prolonging his career as a manager at Aston Villa? This one, you can answer this question, make it long, put this is football. Unai Emery, can put it, image, talk about it, then you can promote it. Promote your YouTube channel, whatever you want to promote. It's as simple as that. You can even promote your course, your football course or whatever. This is how people escape from this brokenness. Go to link in description. Go to link in my description right now. You have 24 hours to remove the link. As for me, I'm out.